We're getting food from McDonald's.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yay. Hi. Cha cha cha.
Probably kind of grand.
There it is. There it is. That's where we're going. The Shell Factory. Right there. Right there. Whoa.
You just put under world's
Shell.
largest
Look,
for
a giant.
now. World's
Yeah.
largest for now. Shell Factory.
For now, it's the world's largest.
Shell Factory.
Pony ride.
I want to ride a pony. Look, that is another motorcycle. Oh, look, a giraffe. That's not real.
Dude, look.
This parking lot is so empty.
Food wagon is here. What are you reading, Giant? A burr.
Oh, this looks completely black. Okay, say hi. We're at the Shell Factory. That's my dad's back of the head.
I'm patiently waiting for the line to go forward.
Oh, there's all the people back there.
Still waiting for the line to go forward.
Yeah. Of some sort.
Remember? I forgot what they were called though.
Oh, there's one right there. If you can see it. It's sleeping. It's so cute. It looks tired.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, there's more. They're so adorable. Yeah. Bird. Oh, it's so cute. One's looking at its privates.
So cute when they like the front.
Just like lay down, roll over, and give your privates a good look. I love it. Hello?
He's like, don't touch me. Oh, 1 minute.
It's like,
He was like touching it.
I love his eyes. Aren't his eyes so pretty? Maybe.
Kangaroo. Well, actually, I don't know what they're called. They're something. They're not kangaroos, but they look really cute. Ah! Probably can't see it, but it's in there, in that big giant cement tube.
They catch birds. They'll run through the grass real low, and as the birds fly away, they'll jump up in the air and grab the birds out of the air.
Yeah, what he said. Oh, they're so cute. It's sleeping. Yeah, raccoon. Yeah, it's so fat and cute. Yeah. What's in here?
That.
What? Wait. Oh, what is that?
White-nosed toady.
Interesting.
Looks like it's really a
It's over.
raccoon.
Oh,
It's kind of a cross between a raccoon and a possum.
looks like it.
Yeah.
Look, apparently they live in nests.
And apparently they like to run in circles.
Walk.
Walk in circles, yeah.
Doesn't look like it's running.
Oh, they're so cute. Snake. Another snake. Another snake. I can't see any snake in there. Or in there. Oh, wait. Whoa. This is a big snake. Well, that's part of its body right there. Snakes are so cool to look at. Wait, what are these?
Those are millipedes.
Look, there's one over here. Like,
They're millipedes?
And roaches. See the roaches?
those are weird.
Oh, these are weird.
I guess that's what an actual roach looks like. The things we have around the house are palmetto bugs.
Ooh, this is a cool snake.
Yeah, that's weird. Honduras smoke snake.
Cute.
I can understand most of
whoa, those are giant toads. Yeah, I know. Oh, we missed this snake. Oh, there's two. Oh, they look creepy. Awesome. Snake right there. I mean, like, really, it's huge. May not look like it, but it's huge. Okay, so this guy's bringing out a giant snake.
Are we allowed to fish? Are all of them fishy? Or did they not?
Oh, that's so cool.
That is so neat.
You can pet her if you want.
So want to pet her.
Don't step on her tail.
I'm trying not to.
Is that a bird?
A Burmese
Oh,
pet.
whoa. So cool.
You want to touch it?
Touch it.
Look at it. It's a crocodile or alligator. Dad, what are these? Okay, they're American alligators. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, and there's turtles. Dad, there's turtles in here too. What? It said hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is like Toy Life that one.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
Ah!
Are you gonna take a picture?
I bet you, Julian.
Apatosaurus.
Cows.
Is it cow food?
You have to move closer.
Get what you're doing. Hey, cute little bunny. Is that, what is it? Is it an llama or an alpaca? It's a llama.
Don't let it spit on you.
Llamas are awesome. Zebra. Zebra zebra. And it's moving.
Okay.
There's a giant turtle there.
A lizard.
And there's a lizard somewhere on there. Wait, where'd it go?
It's right there. It's so interesting.
Oh my gosh, it's a peacock! Woo! It's showing itself off. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Daddy, look! The peacock is showing itself off.
It, like, it vibrates them. It's like,
Oh my gosh, it's vibrating. So cool. Oh my gosh, Julian's touching it. Julian, I don't think it likes it.
Is that a warning?
no, that it does that when it wants to mate. There's a female right there. It's me too.
There's another peacock over there. Here comes a turtle. It's coming towards us. He's coming. He's coming closer. Closer. And Julian is right there. Oh my gosh, you're touching it. I want to touch it too.
But you can sit on it. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, they're really hard. We are in the largest shell factory.
For now.
They
Yeah.
actually create shells here. This is where they make the shells and put them on the beach.
Wow. I never knew where shells came
you find
from.
on the beach are made right here.
Shell houses. Well, those aren't made of shells. Shells everywhere. Super colorful rocks.
Or at least one, something related to it.
Meh.
Thank you. Don't be a chicken. Come on in to the Pirates Private.
Pilot, yeah.
Many. Here
Something's wrong with him. What is he doing? Maybe he's trying to talk something like that. That's what I was thinking too.
They say he died while calling to his faithful mate, Darby, fresh aft the rock.
Lions! Rawr. This one just wants a hug. Oh, so do I, but nobody wants it. Rawr.
Mike.
And that one's eating something.